Let's put some lashes on because I just feel like I want to put some lashes on. Hold on. Okay. I really just got off of work. And yeah, this hair, y'all already know. I already said I was gonna be on my natural. I mean, not my natural, I keep saying it, but my human wave. And it just didn't really work out. It didn't really work out because I just don't like how, like, I want like a bob, a human hair bob, a human hair, like just a short whatever. And it never, I don't know, I don't like it because it seems as if they making the wigs from like scraps of tracks, and I don't like that. Like, I would literally have to go and buy my own bundles and just literally sew them in and make it myself, because it's literally never full. Like, it's never how I would want it. So I just bought another one of these 21st century wigs. 21st century wigs. I don't know why I got this headband on, but oh well. So let's put on some lashes. Like, I have not put on no lashes in, I'm gonna say, when was the last time? I don't know, but it's overdue. And I put mine on with this because I don't really like that strong eyelash glue because I feel like it's gonna take my rooms out. So you can't pay me to put on that eyelash glue. Hold on. The cap's still on it. Hold on. Let me get this off. I'm gonna have to fast forward. Hold on, I could pause it. I forgot. Okay. So I got these just to practice with. My real eyelashes are pretty long, so I'm not about to get no short ones. And then I got some ones that's just, let me show y'all. These, you can't catch me wearing these again. Everything is so bright. I'm not wearing them again. I'm done with those. So sorry. We're just gonna take these off. Let me show y'all what they look like. Because yeah, I can't do no other ones. And these is easy. Like, all I do is take this, put the glue on the whole thing. Hold on. I used to wear these like faithfully when I used to make my videos because I used to want like my face to look different, like my eyes to pop. So I just go along the line. And I think I put a little bit too much. Y'all probably can't even see because I was doing it the wrong way. Okay. It's along the little rim part. And I'm going to take my tweezers and hold them like this. Get you a mirror, boo. And this is the longer side. And so you always put the longer side towards this. Hold on, I haven't put on lashes in so long I almost forgot. Hold on. So I'm gonna hold my eye like this and try to line it up. Stick in the middle part first and then you're gonna connect the ends. Okay, and then I'm gonna just try to stick it. So I put it in the middle part first, like I stuck it in the middle, and then I just connected the two end parts afterwards. How do it look? I have not worn no lashes in so long, y'all. Let me see. Then you just like let them dry them. I just take something and just, cause then in the middle in a minute you're gonna scrunch it. First of all, I did my setup or whatever not for this. I didn't do my setup for this, but I just felt like, where is my girls? Like, where's my girls? That's what I wanted to do this. I just randomly felt like I wanted to put some lashes on, so why not show y'all how I used to put them on. And then these Shein or wherever, I don't remember where I used to get these from. I promise you I don't. I had these for so many years. And then sometimes it be glue on it, like too much glue. So I just take it off. But be careful because you don't want it to fall apart. Just know what glue you can pull. Like, it's a little bit of glue. But, and then sometimes the end part be too long because you can cut the ends. But my eyes are big, so I need the whole lash. Like, I need the whole lash. So, like I did the first time. Oops. Oopsie whoopsie. And then make sure it's like kind of on it all the different directions. So, oops, so what am I doing that for? Okay, so I'm gonna take it like I did the other side, and I'm gonna put it right in the middle. And then I'm gonna stick the left and the right side. Oh, okay, hold on. I like to open my eyelash and do it. Because it's easier for me. This one probably gonna be weird. Because it's like, it wasn't sticking at first. And what I'm doing is just pushing the glue down. See, with the hair glue, it kind of like moves with you. Shoot, hold on. So you just keep making sure that the whole lash is stuck. But by that, oh yeah, I forgot. And then now I'm gonna smush this one with the lash and my lash together. Just a little bit. I wish you can see it. Like, I don't know. I don't even know if this is dry enough, but I'm gonna still try to smush this together. And there you have it. Now I'm ready to do my stuff. Hold on. And I always be feeling like one is fluffier than the other one. One is, do I look right? Because I am not liking it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like how it looks. What y'all think? I need to do it before and after, because I don't even know. Make sure you close this back up because this will dry. And then that's it. I'm not gonna gonna put these ones on because I just don't really feel like it. But, ooh, this was from the glue. And I just rubbed it all over my stuff. But luckily, this just rubs off your hands. So I don't really use the other glue because I don't want it to stick to my eyelashes and my eyelashes come out because my eyelashes are pretty long and I don't want to have them come out. So I'm trying to find something to put on my lips. Oh no. This is giving what is this giving? 2007? No. This is really giving 2007. I don't know. I was really bored. Y'all looking at the crease in my background. Hold on.